All right, I am back. I cut my fabric and I thought that this would look cute on the inside of the journal. And I have a bunch of craft cardstock that I need to use. So usually I would use like the back of a paper pad or whatever, but I think I'm going to use this. And I just doubled it up. So it's not as sturdy as I would usually do, but this cover is not bad. So I think it'll be okay. So I'm going to put this in here. And I just thought of something. So I only cut like this. So I don't know. Maybe I want to cut here and here. Or do I just want to cover it like this? I think I'm just going to cover it. A lot of times, I'm torn. I don't know. I don't know. I think it'll be okay. Sometimes if you have it go across like this, you'll get bubbles when you bend your book. Hey, but I think I'm going to go with it. And it looks like this is a little long on this side. Let's see if I can just kind of really carefully. I have a new fabric trimmer and it has been life-changing. I will show it to you in just a second. It's a little bit of money, but I kind of feel like for me it's worth it because again, I'm mathematically challenged. Let me grab it. It's kind of a big dog, but it's a Friskers cutter. You put your fabric underneath it, you line it up, and then you cut. And you can tell by this piece, like I actually am doing pretty well. Where usually it'd be like, because I just kind of either try the roller rotary one and I get all wobbly, or I just use my scissors and then that's bad. Even that still needs a little bit. I really should just get that back out and, but let's see if I can do it. Yeah, okay, phew. All right, that's good. So let's glue this in. Glue, 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 and then stick this in. And again, this just kind of reinforces the spine. And then let's put this guy in here. Now watch, I hope I don't regret. We'll see. Well, I'm hoping that it's going to be okay. I'm going to kind of spread this out. And stick this on. You know what? I'm doing that backwards. Oh my gosh, Kara. I'm like, wait a minute. Why am I doing the inside first? I need to do this part so that my inside can hide my gnome fabric on the inside. All right, so let's do this. Good grief, I got ahead of myself. And then this is probably a little big, but we'll see what happens. We can always trim a little bit as we go. Now, if you wanted ribbon as a closure and you wanted to wrap it around, this is when you'd want to do that. I debated doing a closure like that, but I don't think I am. And I want enough that I can fold over like this. Of course, my glue is already drying. Make sure I have enough on this side. Yep. Okay. And I'm going to flip it back over. Fold this back and then keep on gluing. If you have a card or like a credit card and you want to smush your glue down with that, that could work better than your finger probably. I'm just trying to avoid globs of glue coming through when by doing that. Okay. I kind of stick that in with my finger and press. Love this fabric. Oh my gosh. I love it. And do the same thing, kind of smush it in a little bit. And then press like that. And then I want to bend. Make sure it's all in there. Are my guys upside down? I guess it doesn't matter. So I can have, yeah, it doesn't matter. Yeah, this is good. Okay. I do think that the actual book is upside down, but it's okay. We won't know. All right. They're so cute. And then we can fold. I do feel like that's kind of a lot. So I'm going to just trim again. Here I go. I'm going to trim a little bit off. I kind of went a little wonky right there at the end. Okay, and now I'm going to fold it down. Like that. And then I'm going to fold this. And then one thing, am I in frame? There we go. All right, one thing I learned from watching Paige Evans is she does like a little mitered corner thingy. So it makes a big difference. So I'm going to try and show you that. So I'm going to add more glue. She actually took a bookmaking class in college. How cool is that? All right, and then I'm going to fold it down. But I kind of want to pinch the corner. I don't know where I put it, but I did buy this tool. I can't remember who was using it in their video, but there's a tool that you can line up and miter your corners. I purchased it and I tucked it away for safekeeping and I can't find it. So, you know, you need to find it. Make sure that's nice and glued down. Looking cute. Oh my goodness, I'm loving the fabric. And then I'm going to go down here and do the same thing. And smush again, smush together. Okay. Okay, looking good. And then I need my, you don't need your fabric scissors, but maybe you need ones that kind of lay flat. Maybe these are better. And then you kind of go to your miter area, and like this one, kind of want to make it a little tighter on the corner. And then you pull it together and cut. It's a little, I don't know. It's all right. Okay, so let's go to this one. Like that. Let's get a little glue in there. And this is where book corners, the middle book corners also help if you don't have it, you know, exactly right. Well, that one's pretty good. Just have a little bubble. There you go. There we go. All right, I have glue strings. Ah, swimming in glue strings. Okay. Looks cute. I probably should have ironed my fabric, but I didn't. Why can't I figure which this is up. Okay, Kara, good grief. All right, now we come back to this. And we're gonna glue this. See how we needed to do this after? Because it covers your folded over fabric. Okay, so now we're going to come in with some glue. Same thing. My glue skin is growing. When I go get my kids, I'll be sitting in the pickup line picking off my glue skin. That's gross. But it's true. All right. Keep on keeping on. Kind of smush. See, you don't need an iron. You just need to smush out the wrinkle. See? Oh gosh. And in the middle here. A little up here and down there. I think even if you've made journals before, at least I think it's kind of fun to see how other people put their, you know, their covers together or their pages, because you could always say, oh, like when I was watching Paige Evans, then the corners, I'm like, oh wow, oh wow, that looks awesome. Apparently I still need to work on it, but I liked how she did it, and then I just kind of picked it up, and now I attempt to do it similar to her, because I thought, oh, that's a good way of doing it. So even if you've been doing it for a while, I think it's kind of fun. And it's fun to see how other people think about, you know, putting their journal together. That's a little, I don't know if I can do this with my gluey fingers, but it's a little too long. So let's see, can I do it? Probably driving all of your measurers crazy. You're probably thinking, Cara, that's why you measure twice and cut once. Not too bad, a little wonky, but I'm okay. I'm okay with it. All right. Very good. Okay, I'm all right with this. And then make sure those are nice and tucked in there. And there we go. So stinking cute. All right, let's see what this looks like. Yeah, I like that. Yeah. And then when we flip it this way, I think it's good. It's cute. All right. So we have our cover. Not done, but we have it covered with fabric and my glue. And we are off to a good start with the Gnome Journal. I wish I would have spread out the glue a little bit there. So who knows if I'm going to add a pocket on the front, or I have no idea. That'll come to me. But yeah, I like it. So next time I still have to decide stencil or ink or something with the pages, or just let them be, I'm not sure. And I want to glue some of these down or leave them as flips, I don't know. But next time I'm gonna probably go back and work on some pages. And then I also want to make some ephemera. So come on back so we can keep working on our Gnome Journal. All right, have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.